Love that heaven made just for you and me. But in a single glance we slipped apart so suddenly. Still so much inside I wanted you to know. But now it's only your soul that whispers when the raindrops flow. Is it your tears falling with the rain, washing away all the sorrow and the pain? Is it your voice carried on the breeze, calling out to tell me that your love's still here for me? Every day of this life I'm always thinking of you. What can I ever do to calm my restless heart? Every moment I dream of your love close to me. What can I do? What can I do to have you here with me? In a dream I see you return to me, holding me once more. In your arms where I should be. Your gentle fragrance stays sweet as yesterday. I don't wanna lose you, I just want you here to stay. Time is moving fast, stealing you away. Even though we part, in my soul you'll always stay. Every day of this life I'm always thinking of you. What can I ever do to calm my restless heart? Every moment I dream of your love close to me. What can I do? What can I do to have you here with me? Every day I think of you. What can I do so that my heart can feel at peace? Every moment I long for you. What can I do? What can I do so that I can have you? And dreaming I see you return, just one holding me again in your embrace. Your fragrance still smells so sweet like before. I don't wanna lose you, I just wanna have you with me.